In this video, I want to show you 5 profitable businesses that you can start with as low as 50,000 naira. So if you've always thought that you needed to have a huge amount of money before going into any business, implementing any business idea, then I want to break that myth right now in this video. If this interests you, then buckle up and watch to the very end. Number 5 on my list is skincare and soap production. So you can actually start this business between 30,000 naira to 50,000 naira. So you're thinking of things like scrubs, body scrubs, face washes, black soap. You can actually buy the ingredients for this production. If you're going into like black soap production, you can start out with ingredients of about 20 to 30,000 naira, and you use the remaining for your packaging and maybe running adverts, paid adverts on Instagram, on YouTube, and marketing. If you're going for a product like lip balms, with lip balms you can actually produce for way less, because you're going to be going for moisturizing ingredients, you're going to be going for exfoliating ingredients and all that. So you can actually do this with less than 30,000 naira. You don't even need to go ahead to start running paid ads from the beginning. Sell from your environment, sell to your neighbor, sell to your church members, sell to people on your street. If you can walk up to market to 10, 20, 30 people every single day, you are going to make sales. Sell on your WhatsApp status. Those ones are not going to cost you money. The only ones that are going to cost you money is probably buying the data. So you can leave out sponsored ads for now. Sell within your environment. Number 4 on my list is going to be virtual assistant skills. Now with this one, it is almost no capital that is needed, but you will still need data. So let's just say we're giving 10,000 naira out of the money for data. Now you're going to offer services such as social media management, graphics design. You can use Canva for this. Online customer service. So there are businesses that cannot afford to hire full-time employers to do this aspect of their business for them, to handle this aspect of their business. So you can stand in as a virtual assistant for them. Some other businesses just need you to do like data entry work for them. So you can use Excel and other platforms to do that for them. Number 3, you can resell hair care accessories or phone accessories. So you can choose between these two, and you can go to market like Lagos Island. You can go to any market around you depending on your city. If you're located in Abuja, you can go to a place like Banex. If you're located in Lagos, you can look for a major market there where you can get steady supply. So you buy these phone accessories or hair care accessories, and you come to your own environment and you sell these products to people. You resell to people and make a profit on it, and then you go back and restock. Now, when you're doing this, do not forget that the first set of profits that you make from reselling these products, you are not going to eat it. You are going to put it back into the business. You're going to reinvest it so that you can have a bigger capital and be able to purchase more of these items for each trip that you make to the market. Number 2 is digital product creation. Now, I have talked about creating digital products on this channel a number of times. There are so many benefits to creating a digital product. Number 1 is that it is super low capital. So the only capital you're going to be spending on this is going to be your data. So if you already have a phone, you already have a laptop, you can start creating digital products. The second benefit of this is that you don't have to have different products to sell to different people. What I mean by that is the same digital product that you've created. Let's take for instance an ebook. If you've already created this ebook and then you've sold it to one person, when the second person now needs the ebook, you don't need to create it all over again. You sell the same ebook to over and over again to a number of people. That's what I mean. And it is super low. So what is it that you're knowledgeable in? What is it that you can currently do? What is it that people ask you for? What is it that is going to be beneficial to people? I'm also going to link one video here that you can watch that is going to help you in creating your ebook step by step. This is completely beginner friendly. So don't be afraid if you feel that you are not so tech savvy, it is very easy to do that. I'll also show you how to get the ideas that you're going to and compile your ideas that you're going to put into your ebook. So you can also sell Canva templates under this digital product. You can sell Canva templates. So like now, this is the holiday season, and that's the long holiday in Nigeria, and kids are going to be home. Now you can sell digital products, Canva templates such as coloring books, you can sell activity books, you can sell drawing books, a number of templates that you can sell, even journals that can be customized. Now, number one and my favorite is home-based food prepping or processing. And I don't know why this is my favorite. It's possible because I'm heavily in this line of business. So there are so many things that you can prep from home. There are so many foods that you can prep from home and begin to sell. Nigerians are busy. If I want to come home and I want to make fried rice, or I want to make vegetable salad, if I can get somebody to deliver chopped veggies to me, trust me, I will buy it. Especially when I know that they processed it in a very clean environment, I'll be very happy to buy it. So in this kind of business, you can even go as far as showing people your behind the scenes, show people your kitchen working environment from time to time. Let them know that yes, for the fact that you're doing it from your home does not mean that it is not neatly prepared. So I want you to look at different foods that you can process at home. It could be zobo, it could be tiger nut milk, it could be spice blends. A lot of people are now becoming conscious of the meals that they eat and the ingredients that they use in cooking their foods. And so a lot of people are moving away from MSG based spices. So if you come up with herbs and spices blend that can help to enhance people's soups and stews, then you are well on your way to the processing business. You just need to look at yourself and see, what is it that I can prepare? Is it fish roll? Is it egg roll? Is it pancakes? What is it that you can prepare from home? You can even do like chips, yam chips, potato chips, whatever it is, with egg, with chicken. Now, there are different things you can prepare. So choose a niche and dominate that niche. So I hope you see this right now. No more procrastination, no more putting it away until you have millions and a big amount of money before you start. I want you to start immediately. Start now. Start with what you have. If you cannot start with what you have now, even when you have so much money, you're not still going to be able to start. So I want you to start. So tell me in the comments which of these business ideas interest you, and if you decide to go with food prepping and processing and you need specified guidance, then you can send me an email. I'll drop my email below. So send me an email for a one-on-one session, and I can guide you on how you can start up and start making profits from your food-based business. It is a line that I have dominated for over 5 years and counting, and I can tell you for sure there are secrets to how to make this work.